We silence when talent stop learning, but we will not stop our learning here. We have already covered all the nodes available in the default dashboard panel. And today we are going to learn the settings of the notepad to make it neater and cleaner. So let's first understand the nomenclature. This is called the tab. And clicking on this, you can see the list of tabs which are enabled. So currently I have two tabs, first dashboard and car news. From here, you can enable or disable the state of your dashboard. If the state is disabled, this will not be shown on the dashboard panel. Now, inside the dashboard, we have groups, input and output. First, let's see the this one. So from here, you can set the title bar, which is this one, and this menu, this side menu, you can set these settings from here, and then you can change the theme also. Let's say dark light theme. This one is the light theme, and this one is the. You can also change the color and font, default font of the dashboard. So this is the dark mode. Now inside the tab we have groups. This one is the group input, output. So currently we have two groups inside the first dashboard. Inside the groups we have the elements. Now let's create two more groups and name them. And to assign the variable, element, there are two ways. Go to the element and choose. Let's say visualization. Done. And assign the this one to the others group. This is the first method. Now you can see the four groups created, each having the elements. There is another method to change the layout of our dashboard, this one. Here, you can just drag and drop elements from one group to the other. Let's say this table node, I want to set here. You can increase the width also. And here, from here, the group width. So you see, I have rearranged all the elements. Now we have this group's name. We can also edit them. So from here you can change the and if you want to highlight it more or delete it, so let's say increase it in this and we have first option, let's change the theme to light and declare. So I have removed the input group name. You can see there is no group name with the input one. I have taken an text node and named it the input group. And I have assigned a class name to it. That is one. Now here is the work of the template. Here I am assigning the background color to the class A, which is used in the text node. So I have set the background color to black, and this is the syntax of style that will be fixed. And then you can also change the style from the text node itself. I have applied style, and you can select your font. Text color is white, then the black background. Background is set by the class. Let's see how we have to enable this. To enable or disable node, you need to click right click node and enable selected node and then deploy. So you see an input group that is a text node. So you can also use it as the group. So let's drag and drop it to the first place. So, now then let's make it more. Right. So you know the difference now. So using template node, you can do more styling in with background color, text font, text size, and many more things that we will learn in the consecutive videos. Till then, keep learning and keep growing. Thank you. We'll meet you in the next one.